Dr. Mays here. I'm going to show you a couple of things, especially if you have an office job, because an office job where you're sitting at a computer on a daily basis, and you're sitting at the computer like this, and what happens is we tend to lose the normal forward curve in our neck and in our lower back, and as a result of that, it can cause a tremendous amount of lower back strain, especially up into these muscles here and between the shoulder blades and even the neck and shoulders. It can also lead to things like carpal tunnel syndrome because of the nerves in the neck that go into your hands getting stretched. So I'm just going to show you a couple of quick moves you can do sitting right there at your desk if you have to, but ideally it's good to go maybe to the employee lounge and sit somewhere there so you can get away from the desk. But these are called the cervical extension and lumbar extension exercises. I'm going to demonstrate them to you. You should be able to learn them here in just a couple of minutes. Simple to do. Okay, so the first ones we're going to do is a cervical extension. So you want to sit upright. Can you hear me okay? You want to sit upright and you want to actually feel this curve in your lower spine. Now if you don't have one, you really need to be doing this exercise. But you're going to be getting that curve forward like that. You're going to interlace your fingers like this, put them in the back of your head, and while sitting upright, nice and straight, you just look up at the ceiling and hold it for a count of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Down again. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what this does is it puts a curve in your lower back, and it also puts a curve back in your neck, the normal secondary curves that we have, and it reduces the strain on the postural muscles. Now just the resistance from your shoulders when you're pushing back like this makes a huge difference for you. Now don't push so hard that you hurt yourself, but just use the resistance, so your normal resistance from your shoulders. You want to do about 10 of these for a count of 5. The second one is the lumbar extension. So again, you're sitting on a bench or a low back chair perhaps, and nice and upright like this, so you have that curve in your back, and you're going to reach forward and grab your knees, and you're going to pull on your knees and pull that curve even more into your lower back, and then look up at the ceiling and hold it for a count of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. And again, you want to increase this curve in your lower back. So I'm going to turn this way. Sitting up, and I'm going to push that curve in, pulling on the knees, and look up at the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these two simple exercises are going to reduce the stress in your neck and your middle back and even your lower back, and they might even save you from having to have more extensive type of care down the road. It'll keep your disc healthy, it will keep your spinal column moving more normally, and it's going to reduce the stress and strain on your back. I'd suggest you do that exercise at least twice in a day. So in the morning before lunch, and then in the afternoon, perhaps at snack time or break time. Okay, so thanks for being with me. Namaste.